presentation on my remote controlled robot. So the goal of this project was to upgrade a previous project I made in which there was this same card that had a joystick cable. The upgrade basically consisted of adding a Bluetooth remote, and it was supposed to be able to move around the car just like the last project. The design of this project was very similar. It required all the electronic components inside of the car, and it differed in that there was also a controller that I used. So the build is also very similar because the design was not very much changed. However, it did require a controller and 2 Arduinos instead of just 1 Arduino. And the program was also similar because this was just an upgrade. However, there were 2 codes needed: one for the car and one for the controller. And the program included variables, loops, serial write commands, as well as a few other different commands. So this project was tested many times to set up the Bluetooth connection, to get the proper input sent back and forth, to get the wheels spinning the correct way, and it was tested a few times as a complete component to make sure it worked properly. Okay, now I'm going to do a demonstration. Now, what probably right now is the Bluetooth modules I'm trying to connect. Good. Now, come on. Good. Okay, now, lay this down and put on my little screw that I made. So that's the connect. Yes. Okay. Sure. Okay, and now see, I can make it go forward, or I can make it go backward, so it's out of range. And now I have to move it back in range. See, I don't have a very long cable, so I can't really control it.
Yeah, I thought you were the longest cable that we had here.
Yeah, I know. And then it can also turn. That's all. Takes one. Come on. And it can turn some more. And then I can make it go forward, or I can make it backward. Yeah, so that's my project. Are there any questions? Yes?
Is it only the back wheels that are spinning?
Or so actually, I guess they're the front wheels, sort of. Yeah, because if you look inside, there's actually only motors on the front 2 wheels, and the other 2 wheels are just sort of guide wheels so that it doesn't tip over. Any other questions? Yes?
You said this was an upgrade from a previous model. How did you said you upgraded by just creating a controller? Did you upgrade the robot in any way itself?
Yeah. Well, it wasn't really an upgrade to the robot. It was just the because before I had a little cable, so I'd have to move around with the controller as it was moving. I didn't have to add this little the Bluetooth module that would then hook up to the Bluetooth module on the controller. Yes?
So why are the front wheels plastic?
I am not entirely sure. These are the wheels I had available to me to build my project.
I think, I'm not sure.